If you are too familiar with Western-style steaks, today I will introduce you a completely new recipe in a style that cannot be any closer to the taste of Vietnamese people. That is beef steak with white betel leaves. Bít Tết bò lá lốt. Can you believe it? Let's give it a try. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need a steak of beef, white betel leaves, 50 grams of butter, some anchovy sauce, a piece of pineapple, salt and pepper, sugar, garlic, chili, and lime. Firstly, pat the steak dry with paper towel and season both sides with salt and pepper. Then crush the garlic, roll up the betel leaves, and cut into strips. Combine the chopped pineapple, garlic, and sugar in a food processor and pulse to puree. Add anchovy sauce and chili to taste. Now add some oil in a cast iron pan. Sear the steak for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the steak. Then add butter, crushed garlic, and the shredded white betel leaves. When the steak reaches the desired doneness, remove and let it rest on a plate. The garlic butter smell mingles with the white betel leaves aroma, just incredibly irresistible. You can serve the steak with some fresh fried rice vermicelli or bánh hỏi and the anchovy sauce for an exotic Vietnamese flavor. If you're a fan of bò lá lốt, give this recipe a try. It's a new way to enjoy your steak with a Vietnamese twist. Let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing ideas like this. I will see you then next time. Bye!